Good that good evening, Bios Cosmos Church. So many of us, when we see something we like on the internet, we want to find out, well, how can we contact that person? Well, here at Bios, we leave a way for you. We have our, first of all, the services page. As you know, you can go into our service page and ask questions, leave comments, suggestions. Our OLC is another excellent way. I will show it to you to our Department of Education. So here this is, some of them have contact pages, but a lot of them don't. But when you answer, everything goes to my email and I'll be able to show you. It also goes to pastor's email. Contacts. So this takes you to services, and then you can choose to call us. Now here's how you use the call us button. You will right click and then hit open link in new tab. It didn't work, so we're just going to update this button to actually give you the church's phone number. This is a map with the location, and this is our messaging box. This is a message to pastor. Message elect lady will come here. Phone number. If you wish to have the church call you, you must leave your phone number. Well, you don't have to. It's not required. Message. You need a message, your name and your email in order for us to can get back to you. Now, this contacts the adult ministry. This is for the adult ministry. This is for the youth department. There's a non-required favorite question. It does change every semester. This is for our tutoring services, which this box is closed because it now doesn't work. This has a link back to tutoring services. This just has all the Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube and email for our, you see how it appears at the bottom here, mail to Travell Sinclair 7 at Gmail. That's where mail goes. The animal department has the same thing. And the emergency department is just a little bit different, except basically you get response faster. These are non-emergency boxes. So if you don't want to reach us in an emergency, this is your place. I will show you soon. The Nazarene Guard is closed, so any messages left in there will not be answered. If you want to leave an emergency message, go to our emergency department page, scroll down. Usually, emergency requests are for prayer. So you fill this out. I've never been a Christian at this or any other church. I am a Christian but do not attend Bios Cosmos Church. I used to be a Christian. I attend Bios Cosmos Church as a non-Christian. I am a Christian and attend Bios Cosmos Church. You select your language. You put down your email, your prayer request, and then it gets sent off. These are two physicians. Once you have done the 3 forms above, then you will be able to contact. But again, this is our rapid contact form. So you check one of these boxes because it helps me to figure out who. What mood are you in and how should I approach you? Also, first and last name, email, how may I help you? Put your message in there. So this will be sent off. I respond to this form quicker than I respond to the other form. Okay, Diane Lee Rose does not work here for the moment. Roosevelt Sanders is inactive, so therefore, yeah. The BKC stands for Bios Cosmos Church, just so you know. Oh, we're not doing the emergency department page, so let's go back to the context page, and that's the end of our live for today's video. Have a good weekend, and may God bless you. Remember, there's no God's Book of Life this last Wednesday, the 17th, and there'll be no God's Book of Life for... Oh, we don't have it on Sundays. Have a good day, and may God bless you. Oh, yes, yes. There'll be no God's Book of Life on the 23rd, St. George's Day. So if that being said, a final have a good day, and may God bless you.